How to create a new Gmail account without phone number verification. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on your device. Open up your app drawer and find settings. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Google. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on users and account. Now scroll down and tap on add account. Now on this page select Google. Now wait for some time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Now tap on create account and select for my personal use. Now enter your first name and enter your last name. Now click on next. Now set up your date of birth. Enter your date of month. Also enter your date of year. Now select your gender and tap on next. Now select your now select your Gmail address and click on next. Now create your password. Now, now simply tap on next. Now again tap on next. Now scroll down and tap on I agree. Now wait for some time. So by following this simple step, you won't need phone number verification to create a new account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.